Hi guys, today we're going to be remembering how to use a 5-frame. If you see it here, there are 5 cubes in the frame. That's why it's called a 5-frame. And then we're also going to be using a part whole mat. Okay, remember our parts are the 2 circles at the bottom, and our whole is our whole number or total number at the top. So we're going to be using the 5-frame and the part whole mat today. We're going to go through some scenarios, and I need your help. I need you to help me solve these or show me how I would work them out. Okay? The first one is, there are 3 dogs at the park playing. 1 more dog joined them. How could we show that? If there are 3 dogs at the park and then 1 more joined, how could we show that? One way we could show it, we could have our 3 dogs playing and the 1 dog who's coming to join them. We could show that we are adding something to it or combining something with a line. So we could have 1, 2, 3 dogs playing, 1 more. How many dogs would be there? That's right, there are 4. And I know that because I counted the dogs. Or you could say there were 3 dogs already at the park and 1 more. Well, I know 3 and 1 more is 4. You could also use a 5-frame. You could place your 3 dogs on the frame and then put another dog on the frame. There are 4 dogs total on that 5-frame. Ready for another one? Okay. There are 4 friends playing on the playground. 1 more friend comes. How could you show how many friends are on the playground? All right, here are your 4 friends. Then 1 more comes. How could we show that? Oh, that friend is over on the side with the line. How would I know what the whole number is? Well, I could count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I know that 4 and 1 more is 5. Let's take a look at it on a part whole mat. I have my 4 friends who are at the park, and then 1 more comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more is 5. All right, ready for another one? All right. Sam has 1 green jelly bean. Sarah has 3 red jelly beans. How could we show this problem? Remember, Sam has 1 green and Sarah has 3 red. Here's the green jelly bean, just 1, and 1, 2, 3 red jelly beans. I know that 3 and 1 more is 4. I could also place the jelly beans on a 5-frame. I have my 1 green jelly bean and 3 red jelly beans. 1 and 3 is 4.